Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have two trading strategies only for you. Yeah, my friends. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. At the end you will see my result and you can take part of it. Right. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so we can increase your chances. Let's proceed. So we're on the broker. I have already analyzed and selected all the currency pairs. I have $1,000 on my balance and yeah, you can see everything before your eyes. And after analyzing the movement for today, I came to the conclusion that today we will use a channel indicator, namely Bollinger Bands, with a period 13 deviation of 2, a fractal with default settings, and 2 RSI oscillators. We will have the first one with a period of 5, the second we will have with a period of 10. We leave the overbought and oversold area at default with values 70 and 30. I carried out a detailed analysis, of course, and this is our first strategy. So I will absolutely confident in my trade, and we will start with $1,000. So let's get started and select the first currency pair. Okay, let's open here short position. I'm guided here solidly by the trend and the dynamics of pullbacks in this price area. So let's highlight the workspace. I draw your attention first of all at this rollback, right? I see that this trend of the rollback reached the moving average of the channel indicator, which is exactly what happened here. We also have a new local maximum, guys. It has already formed, and I assume that our further dynamics should go down. So let's look at the result of our first transaction. So we have 17 seconds. In first position, of course, in a profit. That's great, that's cool. Nice results. Now let's continue. So yep, the movement is now quite stable without sharp impulses. That's great, but nevertheless the correct opening level and timing of opening the position led me to current success. I'll change the amount. Let's bet $960 and open 2 positions. So let's see, what do we have? Okay, let's open here 2 long positions again. So the movement will be on this currency pair, like the previous one, has a fairly stable upward dynamics, and the opening occurs in the direction of the trend. So workspace. First of all, I will note the exit from the oversold zone for both oscillators. Also earlier we see this rollback of the dynamics. The movement touched the lower moving average of the channel indicator. The fractal should be updated, and it shows us this, the update of the local minimum and further dynamics. I think we should go further up the trend. So let's see the result. In our positions is on profits, guys. As I said, the dynamics goes up. That's great. I'm completely satisfied with my trading for the first strategy, so I'll record it and fix it. It's quite good, it's all right. So let's move to the withdrawal and then move to the second strategy. All right, guys, operation successfully completed. Let's not hold here no more. Let's move to the second strategy. All right, guys, so it's not the second strategy, it's the same strategy, because I thought it's quite not enough positions for this strategy. I like it more. So again, Bollinger Bands 13 and 2, fractal with the default settings for this time frame, and RSI oscillators, everything default. The first one with a period of 5, the second one with a period of 10, overbought area and oversold conditions at default 70 and 30. So yeah, we like continuing with this strategy because I thought it's quite great strategy, very useful. So I want to show you more positions with this. So yep, everything gonna be simple. The strategy is the same. So let's continue, and let's proceed to further analysis. And yep. Now let's start with the half of the balance. I traded before I watched the market again. So yeah, 380, and let's proceed. Right, let's open here long position in the direction of the trend. We'll highlight the workspace, of course. So we have upward dynamics here, guys, and I'm guided by this price rollback. We had a local maximum, right? Then the price rolled back, touching the lower moving channel indicator, and in effect a local minimum should form, right? And further dynamics of the movement should go upward. There was also rebound from the oversold area for the oscillator with a period of 5. And there was a rebound from the average value with a designation 50 for the second oscillator. In general, you can try, we can try it. Let's look at the results, and we have 10 seconds. And we're in the profits. That's great. Now I'll immediately change the amount of the trade values. Let's bet $500. In general, the signal was completely justified. Let's continue further analysis and select the next currency pair. Alright, let's try to open long position here in the direction of the trend. The principle of the entering a trade is absolutely the same as in the previous one. Here, the lower moving average of the channel indicator was touched, right? This is a very, very important step for opening position. Very important signal. And also with upward dynamics, we have a price rollback. Here again, reversal from the oversold area. And in general, here I also see a small breakout. But in general, there is also a rebound from the average value. So let's look at the result of the second position for this part of the video, not the strategy. So yeah, and another position is in profit. That's great. And here perhaps a little I was lucky, but as I said, the signal here is not quite as clear as in the last deal, right? But nevertheless, there is still dynamics. The price pullback is not so pronounced, so small upward volumes are also observed. That is why here I also close position with a profit. I will change the amount of the transaction value. Let's put it $750 and continue trading. Okay. Alright, let's finally open long here again. The entry logic remains absolutely the same as in the two previous trades, guys. Here, in my opinion, is a good signal, good entry point. We have touching the previous price corridor, which was slightly lower. Here we have a new price corridor formed. Here again we have a support area, and here we have a resistance area. Also, both moving lines of the oscillator here are in the oversold area. I'm observing a possible reversal on the second oscillator, so in this case I also open long position. So let's watch the results. We have 12 seconds. I was unlucky. Alright, we saw that we were going up, but still the rollback continued. Okay, I'm a loser, but only for this position, alright? Some can happen, alright? Yeah, so we will change the amount of the transaction, Now I will bet the maximum of my balance. So the market, you want to play it? You want to play? Let's play. So let's select the next position. Alright, let's try to open long position here. We don't have any pronounced dynamics. It's not clear where the trend is going now. Mostly flat, the dynamics of the movement. But judging by this part of the movement, our price moved in an upward direction. Then a correction occurred, and now a small stage of recovery is taking place, and the price is taking small steps. Step by step we will tend to go up. So here we have this absolutely the same entry into the trade, guys. We had a touch of the lower moving channel indicator. The fractal was updated and showed us the formation of a new local minimum. I'm also seeing an exit from the oversold areas on both oscillators. The last seconds remain until completion, and the trade are in profits. Easy as that. This is how the trade turned out for today, guys. I wish you like this strategy. That's why I thought to continue with this strategy. So yeah, this is video of one strategy in 2 steps. Okay, I guess you really understand it. We today used the trade with the long and the short situations, so let's fix the profit. Not bad. Okay, and a continue button, and operation successfully completed, guys. So try this strategy. Let me know in the comments what you think about this, about your reviews and experience, how much the profit you gain. Okay, also don't forget about the likes, yes, subscriptions to my YouTube channel, Telegram channel. I just mixed everything, and comments. Okay, guys. So in the Telegram channel I have a lot of signals, copy trading, and news and strategies, so waiting for you there. Have a good market. Bye bye.